Consider approving a construction contract between Mesa County and Old Castle Southwest Group in the amount of $3,937,740.95 for the Orchard Avenue Safety and Connectivity Phase 1 project. Josh presenting again.
Thank you. I am still Josh Springer, Construction Group Manager for Engineering. This first phase of Orchard Avenue includes approximately 1,885 linear feet of full roadway reconstruction with the construction of a new roundabout at 31 Road. The roundabout is designed to improve traffic flow and significantly reduce conflict points for motorists. The project also will be replacing the aging culvert and pedestrian bridge over Lewis Wash, which will improve structural integrity and drainage capacity. I also want to highlight real quick on the return on investment for Mesa County. This first phase of Orchard Avenue alone will cost approximately $4 million, with the county contributing $3 million towards that amount. However, when you look at the bigger picture, that this phase and the design and construction of the next two phases of Orchard Avenue equates to nearly $25.5 million. But of that amount, the county's total contribution is just that $3 million, about 12% of the overall cost. So in other words, nearly 88% of this three-phase project is funded through external sources, including the CDOT Revitalizing Main Street Grant and the FHWA Build Grant. So this is a strong example of leveraging grant funding to deliver a high impact project that would otherwise be difficult for our local funds to tackle. Mesa County advertised the first phase of this project in February and received 4 competitive bids. After careful evaluation, Old Castle Group, better known as United Companies, was identified as the lowest responsive and qualified bidder. Once again, I'm happy to answer any questions.
Okay, commissioners, do you have any questions or comments on this item?
I was just happy to put that federal government dollars to work finally. We've been working on it for a while and ready to get after it. Thank you.
Okay. Does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the items as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries 3-0.